Hey everyone, Daniel here. Today I wanted to talk to you about something special, and that is if studying in Sweden is right for you. That's right, if studying in Sweden is right for you, because while I have enjoyed very much every minute of my experience here in Sweden, I know that studying abroad is not for everyone. Everyone has different expectations of how their life is going to be in their study destination, and when these expectations are different from reality, well, it can be a little frustrating and maybe disappointing. So I wanted to give you some facts about studying in Sweden so you can figure out if studying in Sweden is right for you. But mostly, I wanted to tell you about this so you can avoid ruining what could be an amazing experience here in Sweden just because you have different expectations. So without further ado, here are 5 reasons why studying in Sweden might not be for you. Number 1. If you expect to find all the food that you're used to at home. Swedish food can be delicious and can be amazing, but the thing is that sometimes we want to eat something from our country, and that's gonna be kind of tough here. I mean, this is a country in the Arctic Circle, so getting all the foods from all over the world is gonna be kind of tough. Nonetheless, Sweden imports quite a lot of food, and if you go to the supermarket, there's a lot of things that you will find there. But probably they will not be the same as the things that you're used to at home. For example, I'm from South America, and if I compare a thing like an avocado that I find in Colombia versus an avocado that I find here in Sweden, it's gonna be different, and you need to, well, adjust your expectations. Number 2, if you want to eat at restaurants every day. Every now and then we feel like taking a break from cooking and just going out and having a nice meal in one of our favorite food joints, pizza places, restaurants, whatever. But in Sweden, it's gonna be a little bit hard on a student budget. If eating out is an important part of your lifestyle, I gotta tell you that studying in Sweden, well, probably it's not for you, unless you have a very generous budget. Scandinavia is famous for being a little expensive, and while life in Sweden is not as expensive as it is in Norway or Denmark, it's still probably gonna be pricier than you're used to. So start honing your cooking skills because you're gonna need them. Number 3, if a 24-hour nightlife is important for your social life. Some people see studying abroad as an opportunity to just go out and have parties and enjoy nightlife at its best, just having this big city lifestyle. I'm sorry to say this, but if this is you, then Sweden probably is not the best place for you. Sweden doesn't particularly shine for its nightlife. Some bars close early as 2 a.m. And the thing is that alcohol is sold by a government institution. So it's not as easy to get during the weekends, and even in weekdays, it closes at about 7 p.m. I think Sweden is an amazing destination for studies, but it's actually because of the opposite, because it offers a really nice, chill, and relaxed lifestyle. Sweden shines because of its nature, amazing views of its forests, mountains, lakes, and archipelagos. I think my favorite thing as a student here, it has been just the trips that I've taken. I went up north to see the northern lights. I also went on a tour of the Stockholm archipelago. It was fantastic. Just you go on a boat, you relax, the view is amazing. All the little islands, and it stops in some of them. So it was fantastic, and I really love it. So if you want to just take it slow, relax, and enjoy life, come to Sweden. Number 4, if you want warm weather all year round. This is kind of an easy one to go through. The thing is, Sweden, you know, it's not really the warmest place. Remember what I was telling you about being in the Arctic Circle? Yeah, so that's something that you need to know. Sweden is not gonna be the warmest place, and winters are long and it's dark. That's another thing. It gets pretty dark during the winter. You need to be okay with those things, and it's actually really fun to be up north during the winter and just having like 3 hours of sunlight and the rest is nighttime. It was great. You get to experience something different. So it was a give and take. If this is right for you, if you feel adventurous and want to try all of this, well, maybe Sweden is for you. Number 5, if you feel uncomfortable outside your culture. This is kind of a tricky thing to talk about because it's not only about studying in Sweden, it's about studying abroad in general. When you go to a different country, it's given that you will be just facing and interacting with different cultures. And for some people, I've seen that it's really hard. Even for me, there were things that I was not used to. Like, I come from South America, where we're used to being more warm, interacting in different ways. And in here, there are other ways to do that. So you need to adjust to the new normal. And some people struggle with that because you're interacting with people from all over the world. You need to be open because it's also an amazing thing. I remember one of the most fun things that we had, which was just potlucks with my classmates. So it was fantastic just to see everyone bringing their food from their country and just trying to share a little bit of their home with us. It was fantastic. So keep an open mind, and I'm sure that you're gonna have an amazing time in here. So that's it. We went through the things that I think you should know, and this is gonna help you decide if Sweden is the right place for you. And I think talking about Sweden and asking that question if Sweden is right for you can be a little harsh, but it's better to know these things in advance so you can have the right expectations and so you can prepare. So you know what you're getting into before coming here, because it's a big commitment. It's going to be 2 years. This is going to be your home. So you should know some things in advance. And I think if you're good with all of them, you can call Sweden your home in your studies. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, just hit the like button and we'll keep making content like this just for you. And if you have any other questions, just go down below to the comments and just tell us what you think. If there's something you want to know, or if you have any ideas of content that you want us to make. We're always trying to make content that you want to see, things you want to know, things that we can show you here about Sweden and about student life. Also remember to subscribe because we have more videos coming for you. And I'll see you on the next one. Hey though!